It's Rene here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a nice and easy eyebrow tutorial to keep us quarantine fine. My eyebrows have grown out crazy, so it's time for me to pull these things back together. So you want to see just how I do my eyebrows? Stay tuned. Okay, so first I like to start off by cleaning the skin and the brow with a little bit of alcohol on a cotton ball. Then I get my razor, my scissors, and my spoolie. So first I just like to brush the hair down and see where we are, because for the first step we're going to use our razor to set the foundation for the brow, meaning that we're just going to set the shape, and that shape is going to determine obviously how your brow looks. And so I like to just take my time and move slowly. So I'm showing you guys this in real time so you can see how slow I move. So I make sure I just don't mess up my brows. Alright, after I'm satisfied with the shape on the top, I'll go ahead and brush the brows up so we can clean up the bottom. So I'll go in with my razor and just get those little straight hairs until I'm satisfied with the shape of the bottom. Alright, after I got the bottom and the top straight, I'll go in and take care of the front of the brow. So after I'm satisfied with the overall shape of the brow, then I like to go in with a little brow gel just to keep the hairs in place, and you'll see why. So I'll go ahead and get the brow gel all over the brow and brush those hairs straight up. And then I like to go in with my scissors and cut on the line that I created in the beginning. Now look at that. And I came back already. Halfway there, y'all. After I'm done, I go ahead and wipe the brow down again and the skin with a little bit of alcohol. See, we're looking good. We're looking good already. Alright, on to the second brow. So I do the same exact process, brush the brows down, use my razor to set the shape for the top of the brow, and go from there. Clean up that bottom. Go in with that brow gel. Cut on that straight line that I made. And then I follow up with a little bit of alcohol on the brow and the skin. I crack myself up sometimes. Alright, now to fill in my brows, I like to go in with my ColourPop pencil and just fill in the spots that I think are sparse, but most of the time I just do the entire brow. My brows are dark, and so I just like to make them just a little bit darker so they can stand out on my face a little bit. And I understand this is just a one-dimensional way to do my brows, but it's quick and easy, especially when I'm just running errands or just trying to look a little more put together at home. I just do this process. And we back, baby. We back. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my quick and easy eyebrow tutorial to keep you looking quarantine fine, or anytime fine. Anytime of the day, anytime of the year. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, give me some likes, hit me down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're gonna try this method of getting those eyebrows together. And until next time, see you later. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.